Seatbelt use is one of the most effective ways to save lives and reduce injuries in a crash, yet millions do not buckle up on every trip. One CDC study found that in 1 year, more than 618,000 children ages 0 to 12 rode in vehicles without the use of a child safety seat or booster seat. Parents, we can teach our children to keep us accountable.
Daddy, make sure to buckle up.
All righty, sweetie. Buckle up now.
Daddy, hand me that cell phone.
All right, there you go, sweetheart.
Thank you.
All right, thank you for the reminder. You have to keep us safe. Let's go. Buckle up and don't text and drive.